Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to check your login history on Facebook Messenger. First, open your Messenger app. After that, click on this three line which is called menu, and after that, click on settings. From there, you can see scroll down and you will see an option account center. Click on see more in account center. Here, under the account settings, click on password and security. Then here's an option under security checks that says where you're logged in. Click on it and you will see the list of logged in devices, and you can now see where your account has been logged in. You can tap on any session to see more info and log out if you don't recognize a device. This is a great way to check for any unauthorized access to your Messenger or Facebook account. And that's it. That's how you check in your login history on Messenger using the browser or app. If this helped, consider subscribing for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.